the NCLH roll. So this is the third leg. This was a 20C, rolled into a 22C, and now is a 24C. So like NCLH, what was the expiration on that thing again? 9/19. So the current leg is the 24. So they also had the 20 and they also had the 22. I said that backwards, but whatever. So let's just take a look at them in order. So in order, we have the NCLH 20. So the 20s, what do we got here? So the 20s were opened here, 30K volume, 18K volume. So we'll say 50K total. Lo and behold, I guess maybe not 50K. I guess 48K was a better estimation. But, you know, this is them getting out. Buy, they're getting out here, but they're not closing the position and calling it a day. They're rolling it out. So when they close the 20C here, they open the 22C right here. So then, but then they close the 22C just a few sessions later. So what was this? This went from 165. So if you look to the left of where my mouse thing is, if you just look all the way to the left of the box, there's average fill 165. Then if you see right here, average fill 243. So rolling for a profit. You can see it on the chart obviously as well. And then the 24C. So here's where they are at currently. They have, but they've sized down. So actually, that's a good observation. So this originally was 47,000, right? So 40. So maybe you could probably, someone can do the math, right? This really isn't the hardest math to do. You just say, you know, 30,000 contracts at 138 plus 18,000 contracts at 110. So you do the math on that, whatever that adds up to. Now you say, okay, so now they took profit at 268. You multiply that by 47,000 contracts. But now when they open the 22C, so what do they do? So, So yeah, so when they actually took a shit ton of money off the table. So you see here, so the position was 47,000 contracts. So I guess I have the notepad handy here. So 30,000 at 138. We'll say 17,000 at, what is it? 110. So then that's and then they sell all of those. So sell all 47 at 268. They're more than doubling their money basically. But they didn't roll all of them, right? So when they closed their position, they closed every single one of their 22C. But when they they closed all of their 20C, excuse me, they closed all of their 20C. And when they started the 22C, they sized down to 13,000. So now the position is 13,000 here, it's 13,000 here. So now, yeah, so they sized down hugely. They're probably going to make money on this trade. So even if the 24C goes to 0, they're probably going to still have made a shit ton of money. So let's see here. So 30,000 times 138. So 414,000. 17,000 times 110 equals 1,870,000. So they sold all at 47 times 2.68. Oops, I need to go 47 times 268. Okay, so they bought 6 mil, right? So they bought for 6 mil, sold all at 12.5 mil. And then when they opened the 22C, they only opened 2 mil worth. So the 22C, only 2 million worth. And then they rolled it for they made a mil profit, right? You see about 1 million here. We're just doing some quick napkin math. 1 mil. And how much did they pay for these guys? They paid 2 mil here. So this position only cost them 1 mil. So now they have what, 6 mil profit in their pocket, and they have a 24C, that cost, well, how many do they have? They have 13,000 24C that cost them 1 mil. So they could sell right now, and if they sold it for 152, so let's see here. So they sold for 1 mil. I can't do the math, but they could feasibly sell their entire position right now and make money. So and they could even lose this whole position and still make money, right? So they'll roll. I guess you have to go too far into depth there, but that's the kind of stuff you need to think about. Like, hey, this whale has already made all the money that they need to make. The position can go to zero; they're still gonna have made a bunch of money.